Photoshoot. Flowers and everything. Yeah. This is just looking right now. This is what I do, man. This is my life. I don't remember. I have to see her. Hey, the mic is on? The mic on? So, you know, we live at Amp Fitness right now, doing a big boy workout. You know how we do it. Featuring, huh? Oh, it's your turn? Hey, I'm vlogging, y'all. Peterson and Miss Nicholas, can y'all say hi? Oh man, but okay, I'll take a look at it. What Fifa said? What? That's a size. Oh my God, Fefe. You think I talk like that as a guy? Nah, I didn't click it yet. I gotta get my phone. I got my AirPods on, that's why. I'm gonna check it out. Well, you guys have a nice date. Eat some popcorn for me. Go to the gas station and get all the treats. All right, G. Nothing to pita. All right. Oh. What is that? My phone now. I would never let him take it. Huh? Mad. It's your fucking turn, nigga. It's just ugly ass nigga, man. Yo, what the fuck, nigga? When you be on the phone, I don't tell this nigga shit. Hey, tell him to get off my Johnny, alright? Okay. I done pick my dude, drive at school, now I'm winning. Drive both,
Push, nigga. Yeah, get it. Ugly edge.
Not this time, bro.
Look at this nigga leg, bro. Pause, but niggas be in the gym trying to get their whole back. I'm niggas. Nigga in the gym. Nigga be in the gym trying to get his whole back. This nigga be in the gym.
That's why you in the gym? You trying to get your whole back? What? You trying to get your girl back? That's why you in the gym, bro. You trying to get his girl back. Yo, nigga in the gym every day now, bro.
You was just crying last night.
I never cry, nigga. Real nigga would cry. Real nigga would cry, bro. Let's see. Chaque jour dans le gym, depuis la madame au couteau, chaque jour dans le gym. Wow, man. Trying to get your girl back?
How you trying to cuss a girl out because you don't want to be with you?